Hiya, this is my Aldi shop. It's mostly Christmas stuff with a few little random bits thrown in. I did get a present for someone else who I can't talk about because they're in the other room, but I'll put the amount on the screen for that now. I got this. This was $3.99. I thought it was so cute. Did something, we've been good this year, Santa Claus, and it's like a doormat. It's so cute. Got this with Foxy, and this is $12.99. Let me turn another light on. Oh, that's better. So yeah, let's show you this properly in the light. There you go. Postcard to Santa. This is for Foxy. He loves playing with money and stuff at the minute, so that's him. He's done for Christmas now. I got this as the second part of our Christmas Day food because we've got a turkey joint, and then this, and that which will be enough to feed however many people turn up. I got this for the kids, for the elves to bring, which I thought was cute. I got these for them to do on the first day of December. These were $2.99 each. Letters to Santa gift box things, so they can do them. Then we send our letters to Santa. Big thing of mozzarella that's just go straight in the freezer. I could not resist these. I love the little moons. So these are like the Aldi knockoff. I got 3 lots of this, which looks amazing. High protein chocolate mousse. Get in my face. 152 calories a pot. I've not had anything today, so I'm going to have some of that. I got this. A brioche, chocolate chip brioche loaf. I thought they would love that for breakfasts. And brioche usually has a good date on it. I didn't actually check. Yeah, 21st of December. And it's the 23rd of November today, so it's got a really nice long date on it. 2 lots of mini rolls because their snack drawer is a bit sparse. Paninis, I want one for lunch. Fondant fancies. They look quite nice. Got myself 2 bags of pretzel thins. These are huge bags though, so I'm probably going to divide these up. They're like 99p and they look yummy. I love, who does them? Indie Bay or something do them, but they're so expensive. So we'll see what they're like. Brussels sprouts because I couldn't resist. Shallots for cooking. Curly fries, waffle fries. I've got these for my car because the amount of times we go out and they'll drink their drink and then they can only fill up with water and then they whinge they've only got water. So them, thought they looked nice. Little mini cupcakes, chocolate orange pillows, I thought they looked delicious. And then I got this, the Christmas countdown for them to do from December. And it says $10.99 on it, and I like asked in the, because there was no price on anything, and I asked the lady and it was $2.99. So who's paying $10.99 for that? No one. But yeah, that was my Aldi haul. I don't even think I'm gonna do it. There's no point doing a meal plan because I've already done it with the Tesco's one. So yeah, that was it. Just a little mini Aldi haul for you. Lovely job.